Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing a viral bread taste test. Basically, if you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, you'll know that I review a lot of viral products, and one of the items that I've been accruing and just aggregating a lot of are viral shaped breads. And these are like various flavors, various shapes, and I thought instead of wasting them, I could bring them onto the YouTube channel and I could review them for you guys here. So in case you haven't seen any of my short form content, you can also see it on this platform too. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first and foremost, we have this cube-shaped bread. And then we've got this banana bread, which is actually like a literal banana. It's not just banana bread. And then we've also got watermelon bread, which is probably the most fun colored and looking out of the three. So let's just start with the banana bread because I feel like this one will be the most fun. And when I posted this on Instagram or TikTok, someone commented that you can actually peel these like a proper banana. So I'm gonna try that and see if it works. The thing that amazes me about these breads is that they are so incredibly soft and pillowy. And it smells like artificial banana, very much like Laffy Taffy or something like that. Definitely a banana phone. Hello, hello. Okay, let's try and peel this banana. I guess I'm just gonna start from the top and try and peel my way down. It's kind of peeling. Let me try again. Semi-peelable. I don't really know if it's worth it to do this, but if you really wanted to, I guess you could peel the banana. And what this has is like a banana cream filling. So let me take a bite and I'll show you guys. There's that yellow part. This banana flavoring is very artificial, so I wouldn't really recommend it. The bread texture is really soft and I think it's just fun to kind of interact with and play with. But flavor-wise, definitely do not get this for the flavor. It is pretty artificial and you're honestly better off with a real banana. We've also got the cube-shaped bread. So let's open that guy up. It's not like the perfect cube. There are obviously some dents in it and some mishaps, but overall, pretty impressive. It is pretty square-like. Yes, got it. Okay, I'm gonna rip it in half and we'll see what's inside. Okay, it's plain bread. It kind of smells like Japanese milk bread or shakupan. It almost reminds me of those croissant cubes. There's just one bakery in the Bay Area called Croissante that sells croissants in the shape of a cube, and it reminds me of this a lot. Cheers. Or tastes like plain white bread. It tastes like a plain sweet white bread, but once again, very artificial. If you can just go to the bakery or like a Japanese bakery for fresh milk bread, I think it'll taste a lot better. Obviously, if you want the novelty and the fun shape, then maybe opt for this. I have to say these breads are definitely for the looks more than they are for the flavor. And now we've got watermelon bread. Packaging wise, this one comes in like the cutest wrapper. Presentation wise, this one's also very cute. They did a very good job in presenting this as a real watermelon. I'll show you guys what's on the inside, but I think it's some sort of like watermelon jam. So there's the watermelon jam, if you can see it on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna take a big bite out of this watermelon slice. Out of all three, this is definitely my favorite. I've never had anything watermelon flavored in a bread. I've had watermelon flavored candy and maybe like watermelon flavored Jolly Ranchers, like that type of thing, but never in the shape of an actual piece of bread. So this one is just like the most unique to me. While the watermelon flavor is artificial, I will give it that. It is like subtle and doesn't like hit you over the head. I think if you're going to choose like one of these three breads, I would opt for this one. I think flavor-wise, it's probably the best out of the three. And you can even eat the watermelon rind. It's like bread crust, essentially. Okay, so that is it for the viral bread segment of this video, but I'm also documenting a lot of my food diaries throughout the week, so let's get into it. Good morning, y'all. We have a fun day lined up today. We are going to actually a strawberry farm. They have a strawberry pie that I absolutely love, and strawberries are in season, so we're heading out to Watsonville to do that. And a couple of good eats along the way would be, we are gonna try out the Sprouts $5 sandwich hack, which I've been seeing all over TikTok and Instagram. But basically, people are going to like the Sprouts Deli and you can get a sandwich there for $5. And it actually looks really tasty and really good. So we're gonna give that a try because I'm curious to see if it's as good as it looks. I've also recently been obsessed with these strawberry matcha lattes at Academic Coffee in downtown San Jose. I went last weekend and their espresso machine was broken, so they didn't have any of their like latte drinks that were like, they had like an orange dream latte that sounded so good, but their machine was broken, so I ended up getting a strawberry matcha latte. And man, it was solid. It was very impressive. So I am going back today because I thought it was that good. Anyway, hence the outfit. I'm looking like a real farmer girl today with my pigtails. So we're channeling that energy for today's video. So let's go. So we just gotta fill this out, I guess, with either a meal deal or we can customize a sandwich. Never had air fried kettle brand chips, so they're good. Can I do the strawberry matcha latte? Okay, so this is the strawberry matcha latte I was talking about. I don't know, I think it's just really tasty. Maybe it's because it's strawberry matcha latte season right now in summer. If you're in the Bay Area, definitely recommend Academic Coffee in San Jose. Oh, I need to mix this. Wait, should I go get a straw? I need to go back, sorry. Okay, fail. I did not get a straw, so I'm running back to get a straw real quick because I think this will make the drink taste a lot better. Okay, update, we have straw, so yeah, much better. And the owner was telling me they use premium grade matcha, so that's why it's super, super green. Now that we have our lattes, we are actually headed to the strawberry farm, and I don't think we're gonna go strawberry picking, but we will get my favorite strawberry pie, so I'm looking forward to that. So we made it to Gizdich Ranch. They've got like berry picking as well, but we're here at the pie shop because we got some pies that we pre-ordered. And I actually think the line is kind of long, so let's take a look. They're also famous for their apple juice, which you can see right here. And it looks bomb. Okay, so now we're just waiting for our pies. I like placed a pre-order, but I guess they're still making it, so just wait and see whenever they're done and then we can dig in. I got 2 strawberry pies.
2 strawberry pies?
For Rachel, right? Thank you. You're welcome. A real arm workout holding this. I'm trembling. We have the beautiful strawberry pie here. It is absolutely gigantic, as you can tell. But I'm so excited to dig in, so let's do it. Let's do the first bite, strawberry pie. I'm just gonna get one of the strawberries off the top. Cheers.
Hot?
It's a bit more lemony tasting than I remember. But let me try another one. And it's pretty good now. Okay, so this pie is pretty good, but I think the glaze is a bit more lemony than I remember it being. It used to be very like delicious strawberry, but without like an overwhelmingly lemon flavor, and this time it tastes a bit too lemony for me, but it's still good, and the crust is also very delicious, so still recommend trying it. But it is something you have to pre-order or at least call in advance because they make it for you once you get there, so just be aware of that. Oh no. Alright, we're gonna pick out some strawberries and then we'll get the crust at the very bottom, so there'll be like 2 separate entities. It's a deconstructed pie slice. It's like strawberries with a side of crumble. Strawberry shortcake crumble. So we're taking these as leftovers because obviously you can't finish 2 whole pies by ourselves. I'd be very impressed if we could. Fine, not with that attitude. By the way, these are very good. These are the sea salt and vinegar kettle air fried chips, which I've never had air fried, but it's delicious. Not sponsored by Rumpel, but we have a Rumpel picnic blanket.
Eaten by Toad.
Yes, Toad is a dog that we had encountered in the wild. Oh, yep, he had a little snack. He came to say hi to us and we pet him. And this is what he did to our blanket. So these are our sandwiches. So we packed a couple things. We've got some of those air fried sea salt and vinegar chips you saw earlier. We got 2 sandwiches from Sprouts. These are really big, so I don't know if we'll finish all of them, but we'll see. I'm excited to try the Sprouts viral sandwich. It actually wasn't $5 because we got like more of an upgraded one, so this is $6.99, but that'll still be good. This one is their turkey provolone. Oh, okay. It looks kind of like a standard sandwich. I feel like I could make this at home, but I see the appeal, I suppose. Very standard sandwich, a little dry, but I feel like you can make this at home. It's okay.
The hype is just $5.
This is $6.99. Wasn't even $5. I'm gonna try the potato chip hack now. My beautiful sandwich. Layer on some potato chips.
Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy.
So it's been a minute since we last spoke, but I actually went to my P.O. box today and I got some packages. I think they're gonna be kind of fun to unbox. So I thought I would bring you guys along and just do a little bit of an unboxing with me. I kind of got started because I was a little eager, but I still think there's a lot to see. So this, I think, is, if you couldn't guess it, from the pineapples from Dole. Oh my God. Okay, so this box says Can It Pineapple, and you can see the Dole logo right here. Can It Pineapple. Let's find out. Ooh, oh my God. This is so fancy. This might be the fanciest package I've gotten recently. Oh my gosh. Okay, for some reason this one won't spin to be aligned and it's kind of bugging me, like my OCD is not having this. But okay, let's just go through what everything is. So I think this is like a toothpick, kind of like when you cut fruit. I think this is like a little pineapple topping and a little toothpick you can just stab your pieces or your chunks of pineapple with. This is the opposite of a silver spoon. It is a golden fork. And of course, it says Dole on it too. Then we have pineapple tidbits, a little pineapple chunk, tropical gold, pineapple chunks. And then I think these are like pineapple slices or rings, but this is so hard. Guys, I got it. Here we go. Pineapple slices, perfect. And I think this is like a cute little ceramic bowl. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God. Wait, this is done really well. This is a very beautiful, honestly, I would like put rice in here. I don't know. And then I think these are like, is it salt and pepper? So they're not like coming out, but they kind of look like salt and pepper shakers. Anyway, thank you so much, Dole, for sending this to me. This is a beautiful, very premium package for pineapples. Probably the most premium pineapple package I've ever received, but I am excited to dig in and try these pineapples. Okay, this next one is from Rolling Pins. And actually, this isn't the first package I've gotten from them. They do send me snacks periodically, and you can usually find their snacks at Costco. Ooh, I feel like Rolling Pin is just launching all these new snacks lately, so this is like the third package I've received from them in 1 month. But yes, now at Costco, and what is it? Fruity Cookie Bites. First thing, the Fruity Cookie Bites themselves. They kind of look like Fruity Pebbles inside of maybe Chips Ahoy cookie or something like that, but I'm intrigued. It looks like there's a lot of protein and fiber in here, so it's a little bit healthier, but I will give it a try and let you guys know. And then we've got some fun stickers. Oh, their logo, I have to say, is very, very cute. Like, look at this little cookie man. Oh my God, same logo, but in a like a little keychain. I will be putting this on a bag. We've got Florence by Mills mid-calf socks. I don't necessarily know the relevance of these socks in here, but I'll take them. And then lastly, we've got one more thing in here. I think it's a tote bag, and it says, Live Life Happy, Rolling Pin. Thanks, Rolling Pin. So that's a wrap on all the goodies, but I will tune back in when I have something interesting to show you guys next. I seriously hope this vlog is progressing the way that I want it to, but we'll see.
It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing you smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's
So I picked up a strawberry matcha latte from Voyager, and inside the store, the color looked awful, like it looked really sad. And compared to the one I got at Academic Coffee, this is just a lot more disappointing, I would say, on the outside. The one at Academic Coffee had like layers, you could see the strawberry, the milk, and the matcha, but this one's all kind of like half mixed, and so it doesn't look great, but the matcha does look a brighter green in the sunlight, so I feel like it's a little bit more promising, because I feel like the quality of the matcha is often seen in the color of the green. So yeah, it's not as good as the Academic Coffee one. I think there's not that much strawberry in here. It's like a very faint swirl, and the matcha also doesn't taste quite as bitter, or it just doesn't taste quite as premium.
So out of 5, what is this one?
This one is like
2?
No, it's like a 3.
3?
It's like not bad, but I feel like I could make something similar at home.
What is Academic Coffee?
That's like a 4.5. I think the milk they used wasn't cold, and to me that actually makes a big difference in the drink. I think they definitely put ice in here, but the oat milk was probably room temperature, which I think impacts the flavor a little. I don't know, it just doesn't taste as good in my opinion. Cheers.